This The Rich Company property video is presented by Ashley Webb. Cute waterfront cottage with private boat ramp. This adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath river cottage is situated on .44 air conditioner and has been elevated. The interior is light and airy with the warmth of stained hardwood floors and ceilings. An open living space includes a small kitchen and dining area, a large screen and porch, and an open deck area for grilling or sunbathing. Will provide opportunities for many memories to be made while enjoying gorgeous views of the Pamlico River. Outdoor amenities include a pier, dock, and covered boathouse with lift. Your very own boat ramp on site, storage shed, additional storage, and a full outside bath located underneath the house. Summer is here, and now is the time to get that dream getaway you've always wanted. Call and schedule your appointment today. For more information,